The floor EPS panel is made specifically for casting of upper floor slabs. Because of the lightweight nature, less concrete and steel reinforcement are needed to make a structurally safe slab. This results in a cheaper upper floor slab when compared to other slab making techniques. However, floor EPS panels are not suitable to cast foundation slabs. If you're a developer looking to build a commercial building with several floors, you should seriously consider using floor EPS panels. They are easy and fast to erect on site because of their lightweight nature. Also, because of their dimensions, EPS panels cover a wide surface area. For example, the single EPS panel is by default 3 meters long and 1.2 meters wide. That means it covers a significant surface area in a shorter time span when compared to brick and mortar. On the other hand, the floor EPS panel makes casting upper floor slabs a quicker job than other conventional methods such as the hollow pot or solid slab techniques. Another time-saving component comes in the form of electrical and plumbing works. The EPS core material can be cut through using a hot gun. This means that it takes a shorter time period for plumbing and electrical works to be accomplished. These works are done before concrete is applied onto the panels. The biggest cost saving that you get from EPS panels is from casting upper floor slabs. If you're building a maisonette, for example, you'll achieve notable time and cost savings when casting the upper floor slab using the floor EPS panels. The time and cost savings are even more significant if your project consists of several upper floors. However, when using the single EPS panel for walling purposes, the cost is almost similar to brick and mortar. This is because of the heavy use of concrete. These panels must be plastered or shotcreted with concrete to the appropriate thickness. After concrete is applied to the single EPS panel, the cost is almost similar to the traditional brick and mortar. A construction worker can carry an EPS panel comfortably because it's light. This makes them easier to install on site, which saves on time. This factor also helps in terms of transport. Depending on your project, a standard lorry can transport the panels needed in a few trips. This helps you save on transport costs. On another note, if you decide to use EPS panels entirely for your construction project, you can save some money from your foundation. EPS panels still weigh less after applying concrete than stone walls. This means your foundation can be designed appropriately with EPS panels in mind. If time is an important factor for your project, then EPS panels can help you out. If your project requires several floors, the floor EPS panels are a time and cost-efficient slab-making technology. Last but not least, if you want your house to have the stone wall look, then the EPS panel technology isn't for you. However, if you're going to plaster your stone walls to achieve a smooth exterior, the look and feel will be similar to an EPS plastered wall. After painting, it's hard to distinguish between a stone plastered wall and an EPS one. Although it is quicker to install an EPS wall, at the end of the day, it all depends with your taste.